Hey guys, at the plot, got a quick chit chat with you. Went to Mulvin yesterday, Mulvin Spring Festival. It's all right. It's just a bit too crowded for me, and it was so hot as well. It was very crowded. And Sunday, they allow dogs in on Sundays now, and trying to navigate the floral marquee. And I thought dogs on leads weren't allowed in the floral marquee, but I'll tell you what, I must have got tangled up so many times. It took me nearly 25 minutes to get from one end to the other, and I wasn't even stopping to look at much. One of them, a bit of a rant, a bit of a dig well spills the beans. Now, Mum said to me a long time ago, if you've got nothing good to say, Stephen, keep your mouth shut. But now, you know, I've been raving about these carnivorous plants, and I bought a load from Hampshire, carnivorous plants. Very good, very good. Phoned them up and asked if they were taking any plants to Mulvin, little ones. Yeah, quite a selection. And compost. Said, yeah, we're taking compost. I said, well, do me a favour, could you set aside 5 or 10 kilograms for me? Because I want to take it home. It's just so expensive in the garden. So they said, yeah, no problem. So anyway, I fought my way through this 25 minutes getting through the floral marquee to them, picked about 4 or 5 plants, and I said, oh, you've got some compost set aside for me. Oh, no, we haven't. No, we haven't. We've sold out of compost, I'm afraid. To say I was fuming was an understatement. I just stormed away, left the plants where they were. The thing is, I bought the blooming shopping trolley especially to carry this compost in, to drag it around the ground, the show ground. But anyway, that's enough of that. You know, just one bit of bad customer service doesn't mean the whole company's rubbish, you know what I mean? But I went there. Oh, it just started raining. I wanted to get this done before it started raining. I went there to get this compost, etc., but also to see my mates, the fellow YouTubers. There's about 20 of us there. Really good. You've probably seen the photograph all over all the social media by now, but I'll stick it up here in a minute and just show you everybody that was there. Really was good. Had a nice chat together. Everyone was sat there eating their fish and chips and scampi and chips, and I'm sat there with my sandwiches, and a bottle of squash. Mind you, can of Coke, £3. There's one, I think it was Jim there with his little kid, like, you know, £3 for a tin of drink. Oh, crazy. Ice cream, I think it was £2.90. No, £3 again. Absolutely crazy. It's raining, I can't believe it. I've just come up today just to have a look at where I'm going to put my tomatoes and all the cucumber bits and that sort of thing in the bales. There'll be some up here, some on the lower plot. I just want to get that done. And it was the plant sale Saturday just gone. Little bit disappointing. Nearly everybody took over half of their stuff home. I think Norma sold all of hers, but Phil in the far corner, he took nearly half of it home. I took nearly half of mine home. A bit disappointing, you know. Last year it was manic for 45 minutes. This year it was manic for 30 minutes, and then there's just 1 or 2 people coming in every now and again. You know, it was a bit weird, really. So what I'll do now, when I get home, I've got to do the Monday update, which you'll see before this video. It'll be the last one, and I'll just show you what I got left over. And I want to get those on Facebook Marketplace today if I can, before I've got to repot them all. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm just going to have a look where these tomatoes are going, and well, I'll carry on tomorrow. God, when that rain, when that biblical yesterday. Don't know if you had any rain. I was on the Veg Growers podcast live video last night. I go every Sunday, 6 o'clock, great little show. And I'm here, my PC's there, and honestly, my back door is I can't open my back door from where I'm sat on my computer. I had to shut the back door because the rain noise was so loud I couldn't hear the PC. Absolutely incredible. And then the thunder started, you know, but it was a bit refreshing. So things don't need to water much today anyway. Right, catch you in a bit. Ooh. Right, guys, I've been gifted a shed load of bamboo. This is quite long, actually. Look at that. That's got to be 10 foot, isn't it? Bit big for my tomatoes, but I don't want to cut them down. So what I'm doing, I've done one bale already. Let's do this bale. I'll show you what I'm doing. You ain't going to see what I'm doing wherever I do it, I don't think. So let's try here. I got a metal, fence pin. And all I'm doing is sticking it in the ground, giving it a blooming good wiggle around. I'm trying to remember where the hole is. Because it gets covered over with a bit of wood chipping. So then And then, there we are. 6 of them. That is very high. I might have to cut them down actually. It'd be too easy for the wind, wouldn't it, to knock it over. Where did I put the second one? Losing it, Steve, I'm losing it. He's losing it. And it's good cane as well. I just tried to snap one and it's not breaking, so it's fresh. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, so I ruined that one. Oh, there they are over there. I say natural. These are from somebody's garden and they just gifted them to us. Right, I'll be back in a minute. I suspect this is one of those ornamental bamboos because it's almost black in colour. I think I got a touch of hay fever, you know. Sniffing a bit. There we are. I'll do. Right then. Here we go. Right, 6 tomatoes in this bed now as well, the one where I just put the canes in. Now I have got, in no particular order, Cherokee Carbon, Pink Boar, Pink Brandywine, Rebel Starfighter Prime, Rebel Starfighter VT16, and is it Reese to Mate or Rose to Burn? Can't remember now. Doesn't matter, does it really? Reese to Mate, Reese to Mate. Right, let's put that down. That's my little map, so I know what's where. So starting in that corner there, number 10, and I've cleverly laid these out in order, he says. Wrong way round. Number 10, here we are. So we'll try with the old podger dibber first. Oh yeah, it might work. No, yep. Yes, it will. Oh, they're warm in there as well. I love this. Yeah, it's quicker than the trowel, that is. I had to go. Where are we? I had to go buy a new one of these. I lost mine. I don't know where. No idea. I think my last one was a homemade one, actually. Rebel Starfighter Prime. These were nice last year. Oh, lovely. They like that little bit of warmth in there. It's not too hot. It's not hot. But we'll get them going. Just give these a quick watering as well. Lovely root ball as usual. Let's get rid of that. That corner, that one. This is the Reese to Mate. I like these, they're very tasty. It's that cluster tomato. One looks like a bunch of grapes. Lovely, we're getting there. Two to go. Just been delivering a load more plants for people who've asked me to take them to their houses. So, lucky it's all local, isn't it, really? Only got 2 tomatoes left now, apart from the money makers. Nobody seems to want them this year. So weird. A bit far away, that cane, isn't it? Don't matter. It will reach. especially if I lean it over a little bit to start off with. Lean it the right way, Steve. There we go. Right, yeah, let's get some water. Oh yeah. Okay, then I got 4 San Maranzo and 2 flame to go in this one. Not sure what my weapon of choice will be at the moment. The canes are a little bit far away, but I'll train the tomatoes across. Doesn't really matter, I don't think. Let's do these first. There they are. That's those 6 in. Gonna give them a very good drink. We also have the effect of washing a little bit of compost off the roots and getting them settled in a bit quicker in the straw. A little bit dry this end. Okay, next up, or last for today anyway, let's get some courgettes in. I've got 3 here. I got Albarello, something, Rondini and Soleil. So if I do them alphabetical with the S there, and then one there, I get something else at the end, can't I? Yeah, right. I know what I'm on about. Look how hard this bale is then. Too bad. Ooh, that's lovely and warm in there. Cool. They will love that. That's probably that's probably the warmest bale I've had. So, Soleil. In you go. Rondini. Bit close together, but this isn't conventional gardening, is it? Ooh, toasty, toasty. Rondini. Nice round one this. Oh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. And last but not least, Albarello. A bit softer there. No point fighting it, put it where it wants to go. Right in, water. Here. That's them in, that's 12 of them. I say 12, that's 12 physical tomatoes. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's only 8 varieties. I got 30 odd varieties. 8 are going at home in the quad grows. I might try and do that this afternoon if I can. So that's 8, 16, so I've got a few left. I've got some planned to go in pots. I want to put the determinants in pots. And I've got to get on with the beans. The beans are nearly ready. I've got more peppers to put in that bed there, which you probably can't see because I'm in the way. That one down there somewhere with all the pots on it. There, and I just noticed, I'm going to take you over here. Hey, look at that. First tomato. Excuse me while I eat that. Oh, look at all those blueberries. Lovely, 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 lovely. Well, that's it for me today, guys. Bit more to do tomorrow, and I'm going to... Oh, wow. That is so sweet. Look after yourself, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.